In front of me is ULEFONE Power 3S, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner. Select History, and now tap on Clear Browsing Data. And as you can see, you have basic and advanced features here. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. Then under advanced you have a few more, and these are saved passwords, out of inform data, and also site settings. Just mark those that you would like to delete, remove, and actually I would like to remove everything, so I will leave everything marked. And the last step is to select the time range. So just click on time range and pick if you would like to remove history from last hour, last day, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. I will choose all time, and finally tap on clear data. And that's it. As you can see, there is no longer history here and you can create it from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.